Whereas a lot of people's problem is sound, okay? Sound. Let me explain to you what is this. We made so many zirconia, right? I would say 30% patients not like it anymore like this. Oh my God, they said too abrasive and then too harsh, and it's like the stone touching. But introducing this one is the, oh my God, this is cool, okay? So all our restoration from the zirconia we fabricated in a daily basis. We made a beautiful aesthetic than everybody. I would like to get the better product for our patients, not only convenient aesthetic but it's a sound. So today I would like talking about the sound like this. Whenever we fabricate it, no matter what who fabricated, right? Everybody fabricated. I hate it. Do you like that? Nobody going to like it, right? This is the zirconia top and zirconia top. So I talked and then I talked to my staff, and so many times I struggling what I did with our invention, which is our research and develop, which is made from the zirconia, and top of that the press materials is mono, just like the back and forth, right? And then after cement, and then you get this kind of sound. You know what I mean? So that's now is our, see, compared to this is a totally different, and is much less abrasive compared to this. And then I can to provide all my client is nationwide. Dentist hired the lab technician, they bought the milling machine, and they mill their side, and even the surgery, which is great. They do surgery, and then I have to place implant, and then they make the temporizations, and then they make the final aesthetics. So final aesthetic they milled, which is chunk of a pork, and they paint it. So LSK's difference is aesthetics. It's completely different. I know a lot of people are asking me what is different. Probably I would say 30-40% people look at the aesthetic. Okay, so most like 50% they cannot see the aesthetic. What do you mean aesthetic? Aesthetic is more lifelike restorations. Looks like the teeth, okay? Looks like shape and contour is better than their mouth. Not like dentists and the lab technician design it square or square rounded. This kind of right? No. What I'm talking about is their nature design from their gene. So God created teeth is very unique. It's not 100% symmetry, but we have to make the symmetry. That's fine. What I'm talking about not only symmetry, but also component, which is natural looking component. Dentin, translucency, enamel, differentiations. So we provided is highest quality, natural looking as much as possible to our clients over 48 different states. We fabricated not only teeth, color and shape, but unfortunately sometimes they give me regular traditional shape tab, which is very awkward because they give me the A1, so I give them A1. Okay, so our client said make natural as possible. So we fabricated more translucency. I would say 80% patients love it. And then only 5% people love this matte one color, which is I've been seeing. Not only aesthetic, we also pink color tissue design more sophisticated than everybody, which is color and contour like this. Color and contours like that, just like the teeth. Whoever placed implant, so many. We can talk about bone loss and bone grafts, nerve down. I got that 100%. So we made it, even though doctor has a little bit issue when they place implants, such as long span ponic, deep subgingiva, tight bite, thickness, especially zirconia. You can see whoever already has zirconia, sometimes they have a really thick. So meaning it's really heavy. But unfortunately, we have to add a little bit more the incisor area when they open it in a smile line. I'm talking about smile line. Okay, so we have to add with the inside. So sometimes we hard to get is great pontic integrity. That's the issue. we made it Syton series from the implant, single implant, so we take care about margin integrity, okay, tissue design contour, each different platform, meaning this lower teeth, upper teeth platform is different. But the most of the dental implant company has the same healing cap, which is problem. It's because once they pulled out the teeth, set up the healing cap, it's very small, tiny. When you have a big rectangular shape, square shape, you have a contour problem. The contour problem is that I'm talking about long axis. If you don't get a long axis, maybe you have occlusion forces problem. I would say 30% people, because interference is problem. So implant have to make it a little bit smaller, especially lingual side. So my bottom line is not only aesthetic and longevity and hygiene. Okay, so that's my goal. So we set up Syton mini hybrid implant cases from single square type, rectangular, more oval type, more square type. So we make the design it. Once a week we made the Syton 7 star, which is very thin. So there's no problem. I heard many years we made so many zirconia like that. You see the sound? This is a very expensive garbage here, okay? So we made the great aesthetic, great color, and this is the so I heard, being honest with you, even though I made it and the patients complain about, hey, look, I love everything, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. This bothers me many years. Yeah, so what are the solutions? So we make the PIC material with different material or acrylic. The problem is the PIC and acrylic is more grinding, everything's grinding, aggressive, very aggressive. And then after a couple of years later, and then there's one dentition since it's gone. The patient have a right, they have to get the great prosthetic in their mouth, right? Regardless, they pay $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000, even $40,000. I saw that. They only pay $3,000 lab fee. So finally they found the dentist, and then they sent the cases here. That's why we made the top of the line here. It's a very thin, very thin, right? Long span, 612 implant, like this. This is case from Dr. Sharitha Uchil, is in Michigan. He's a great prosthetist. Okay, so that's why we made it all this information, and then we're trying to give them the much information as much as possible. That's why I'm trying to prepare the work and then send it to the doctor's office. This is what we call Syton Hush. So you can get the Syton Hush from only LSK 121. You cannot find anybody. Okay, and then we can resolve this kind of problem. Okay, and then this is my evidence. If you have any question, I made so many. Actually, I did not make the video, but our team made the video. You saw so many video. I acquired about over 1 million subscribers now. Instagram about almost 1.4 million. But that's why I really appreciate that. So our passion goes through the restorations, make the patients happy, and then our improves life is much better. So whenever they do dating, okay, I recommend this. My channel is LSK121 or YouTube and social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, some of them TikTok too. And then I can give you the answer as much as possible, but I do have a lot of employees, so they can give you the right answer for you, right product for you, right consulting for you under doctor prescription. Okay, like I said, I'm a lab technician. I'm not a dentist, okay, don't get me wrong. So you cannot send me directly. But we're working with so many great dentists nationwide. We definitely recommend to you, to all the dentists, that I can make the really beautiful restoration for you. I hope you will going to enjoy the rest of the year, rest of the life, and have a great day. Thanks for watching my channel.